Hello, today we will be connecting the compound interest formula to repeated applications of simple interest. I'm going to show you the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Example 19 says complete the table below to find the interest paid when $5,000 is invested at 11% per annum interest compounded annually for 3 years. So first of all, we start with simple interest for 1 year. So $5,000 comes from the amount invested, and we have 11% per annum. So in the first year, they get 11% of 5,000, which is $550. So you can see here that we started with 5,000. The interest is 550, so the total value of the investment at the end of year 1 is 5,550. So we're using P plus I, the principal plus the interest. Doing that calculation to get this amount. Now you'll notice with year 2, we need to find the principal. For compound interest, we actually add the interest on. So the principal changes to this number, which comes from the total value in the table. This number here moves down to here in the table. And then we repeat the process. The interest for the second year, we still use PRN. Still finding simple interest, but we're finding it for this new principal. So we find 11% of the new principal, which is down here in this table. So 11% of the new principal is this much, and we add that on to the principal. So you can see in the second year, they actually get more interest. So some people for compound interest call it interest on interest. So there's more money here to get interest, so they get interest on their interest. This number moves down here when we do the third year. The third year calculations, we have the total value from the table multiplied by 11%, which is back over here, which is this number, which goes in here of our table. We add these two numbers together to find the total amount after 3 years. So after 3 years, $5,000 has now changed to $6,838.16. Remember, financial problems, we normally express our answer in 2 decimal places. Next question.